Welcome to Exploring Wealth. Today, we will discuss on the top crypto altcoins to buy now.
If you've got $1,000 to invest and want to make smart moves in crypto, this video is for you. We're diving into the top altcoins to buy right now while the market is red, complete with price predictions and strategies to help you grow your portfolio. Let's jump right in with our first suggested project to add to your portfolio, Altcoin. In the rapidly developing and ever-evolving world of crypto, Altcoin stands out as a promising newcomer with a unique approach to scalability and efficiency. This innovative platform, dubbed ALF, brings a fresh perspective to the table, offering a hybrid architecture that artfully combines the robustness of the proof-of-work consensus mechanism with the scalability offered by directed acyclic graphs. The unique nature of ALF's architecture is designed to address and overcome the limitations that plague existing blockchains. By doing so, it enables the creation of a more robust, versatile, and dynamic ecosystem for decentralized applications. This, in turn, opens up a plethora of opportunities for different sectors, ranging from finance to gaming. One of the key advantages of ALF's hybrid architecture is its ability to handle significantly more transactions per second than traditional blockchains. This high-throughput capacity makes it well-suited for applications that require high-volume transactions, such as financial platforms and exchanges. Furthermore, ALF's directed acyclic graph-based architecture eliminates the need for miners to wait for confirmations before adding new blocks. This innovative feature drastically reduces transaction times and boosts overall network efficiency, offering a seamless experience for users and developers alike. Security is a key concern for any decentralized network, and ALF addresses this through its proof-of-work consensus mechanism. ALF's versatility shines in its ability to support the development of new DeFi protocols and applications, facilitating secure and efficient financial transactions. It also provides a secure, scalable platform for creating and trading NFTs, a feature that is particularly relevant in today's digital art and collectibles market. In the world of gaming, ALF can also be used to aid the development of innovative, immersive blockchain-based games, offering gamers an enhanced, transparent experience. In conclusion, ALF is a groundbreaking Layer 1 platform that could revolutionize our interaction with decentralized applications. Its hybrid architecture, scalability, efficiency, and security make it an attractive choice for developers and users alike. It currently has a market cap of 40 million. We believe the project has got a lot of potential and will hit a market cap of at least 6 billion in a bull run. That is a nice 150x from here. As our second project, we would like to present Kaspa. Kaspa represents a groundbreaking innovation in the blockchain technology realm. It is a transaction layer that offers instant confirmation, powered by a proof-of-work engine that not only delivers speed, but also scalability, redefining how transactions are processed on the blockchain. When transactions are dispatched to miners, they can be promptly added to the ledger. This is made possible by a revolutionary block DAG structure that forms the backbone of the Kaspa system. This structure is based on the GhostDAG protocol, which is an innovative evolution of the Nakamoto consensus, scalable and suitable for a wide range of applications. In keeping with the principles that underpin Bitcoin, Kaspa implements a proof-of-work mining system. Additionally, it adheres to a deflationary monetary policy and ensures no pre-mine or central governance, thereby maintaining the decentralized nature of the blockchain. What sets Kaspa apart is its unique capacity to uphold high block rates, all the while maintaining the high level of security that is characteristic of the most secure proof-of-work environments. Unlike many traditional cryptocurrencies, Kaspa successfully circumvents the trade-off between security, scalability, and decentralization. Decentralization of cryptocurrencies often necessitates a limitation on their block creation rate. This is to curb the creation of orphans, off-chain blocks that manifest during the time it takes for a latent block to be propagated across the network. However, Kaspa's consensus layer employs GhostDAG, a proof-of-work consensus protocol that evolves Nakamoto's chain into a directed acyclic graph of blocks, effectively resolving this trade-off. The result is a robust cryptocurrency backed by 51% security, supported by a high number of miners and nodes, and delivering throughput equivalent to 1 block per second. This makes Kaspa a highly efficient platform for transactions. Furthermore, Kaspa's consensus layer facilitates fast confirmations, thereby enabling use cases that necessitate immediate proof of publication, such as e-commerce. This stands in stark contrast to traditional cryptocurrencies, which are often hampered by slow block rates leading to sluggish confirmations. Slow block rates also contribute to high variance in mining income, prompting miners to join larger mining pools. However, Caspa's fast block rate counteracts this effect, reducing the variance of mining income, which in turn diminishes the incentive for miners to join large mining pools, contributing to the decentralization of mining. Caspa currently has a market cap of 1.5 billion. With the big-brained people behind Caspa, a market cap of at least 60 billion is not crazy to think of in a bull run. That is a 40x from here. Next up are two gaming projects worth considering for your portfolio, starting with Metacade. Metacade is an ambitious gaming platform on Basechain, designed to unite gamers, developers, and blockchain enthusiasts in a shared digital space called Metacadia. It offers a GameFi ecosystem where users can play games, join tournaments, contribute to blockchain development, and invest in Web3 projects. The platform is built around four key areas: entertainment, builder, finance, and media, each catering to different user interests. At the heart of Metacade's gaming community is the Entertainment Quarter, where users enjoy cross-platform games and competitive tournaments, earning Mcade tokens as rewards. The Media Quarter serves as a resource hub, providing game reviews, leaderboards, and GameFi Alpha, insights into upcoming and innovative blockchain games. A standout feature is the Builder Quarter, which offers developers support and resources, including the MetaGrants program. This program funds developer-submitted projects based on community votes, empowering users to shape Metacade's game offerings and helping developers bring their ideas to life. Metacade also features an AI-driven marketing tool called Level Up. This tool helps partners and developers streamline engagement, manage communications, and distribute content effectively from a single dashboard. The Builder Quarter further supports new projects through its development incubator, technical consultancy, and education programs. Meanwhile, the Finance Quarter provides investment options in blockchain projects to fund the ecosystem's growth. By integrating blockchain and AI, Metacade enhances user engagement with personalized game recommendations and curated content tailored to individual interests. This community-driven approach, combined with Basechain's fast, low-cost infrastructure, positions Metacade as a dynamic virtual hub, set to revolutionize how gaming communities interact in Web3 spaces. Metacade currently has a market cap of 20 million. We predict that Metacade will have a market cap of at least 4 billion in a bull run. That is an amazing 200x from here. As our second gaming project, we present Nakamoto Games. The idea of earning money while playing games has gained immense popularity among gamers in recent times. This trend has given rise to play-to-earn games like Axie Infinity, which is a perfect example of how players can earn real money while having fun. Among the various play-to-earn platforms, Nakamoto Games stands out as a blockchain-based gaming platform that has caught the attention of many players. The platform offers a wide range of games that provide players with the opportunity to earn a steady stream of income. To participate in the games offered by the Nakamoto Games platform, players need to connect their Web3 wallet that holds Naka tokens before choosing a game to play. The Naka token serves as the utility token of the platform and is required to power the games and purchase special weapons or features for certain games. Additionally, to maintain the token's economic stability and deflationary structure, Naka has decided to partially burn the Naka tokens as more tokens are added to the reward pool. This is an innovative way to ensure that the value of the tokens remains intact while providing players with a steady stream of income. Apart from providing players with a variety of games, Naka has also set up a governance system that allows participants to vote on different proposals, such as burning Naka tokens. This system ensures that players have a say in the platform's decision-making process, making it a more democratic and community-driven platform. Moreover, Nakamoto Games has created its own metaverse called Nakaverse. This metaverse offers players a more immersive gaming experience with play-to-earn games from the platform and more. The metaverse also includes shops, restaurants, NFT museums, and digital land plots for sale. Owners of these land plots will have the advantage of creating valuable resources faster than other players, making it a valuable investment for players looking to earn a steady income through play-to-earn games. In conclusion, Naka is a groundbreaking project that truly stands out in the world of play-to-earn gaming. It boasts an impressive array of games, catering to a wide range of tastes and preferences. The project is not just about fun and games, it also introduces a deflationary token structure that promotes a sustainable economic model. But what truly sets Naka apart is its innovative metaverse. This metaverse is a virtual world where players can interact, explore, and create their own experiences. It's a place where the boundaries between gaming and reality blur, providing endless possibilities for players. Therefore, for those with an interest in the play-to-earn gaming space, Naka is undeniably a project that deserves attention. Nakamoto Games currently has a market cap of 20 million. A market cap of 3 billion can be reached in a bull run. That is a 150x from here. Let's explore some quality AI projects for your portfolio, starting with Virtual's Protocol. Virtual Protocol aligns incentives for the creation and monetization of AI personas for every virtual interaction. The Virtual Protocol is a decentralized factory that creates AI characters for various virtual worlds, such as games or online spaces. Its focus is on developing and selling these AI personas in a mutually beneficial way. It's like creating digital characters capable of anything, from mimicking a movie character to assisting in writing a horror story, or even representing a digital version of yourself. To achieve this, the protocol incentivizes people to contribute their skills and ideas. Contributors who add data and develop AI models are compensated for their efforts, attracting top talent. Those who ensure the seamless functioning of everything are also rewarded, maintaining high quality and fostering trust in their creations. For developers who incorporate these AIs into their apps, it's straightforward to integrate into their system, facilitating the creation of unique, immersive experiences without extensive technical difficulties. This approach allows faster and more cost-effective product deployment. For rights holders of specific characters or stories, this presents a new revenue stream and a means to maintain their content's popularity. Each contribution, whether it's data or a model, is created as an NFT and proposed on-chain. Validators then compare these submissions to the current version. If a new submission is considered an improvement, it is assimilated as the latest state of the respective module. Being in the current state allows contributors to earn token rewards virtually. Contributors retain ownership of their submissions, sharing in the value created by their contributions. This system ensures that those who enhance the protocol are compensated for their work. Virtual Protocol currently has a market cap of 700 million. We believe that a market cap of 40 billion is possible in a bull run for this unique project. That is a 67x from here. Project number 6 is another AI project called Phala. Phala is pioneering the integration of AI with blockchain technology through its innovative AI agent contract platform. This platform enables the creation of decentralized autonomous AI agents, operating without central authority, ensuring unbiased and transparent decision-making. A standout feature of Phala's AI agent contract is its incorporation of tokenomics, which revolutionizes governance and incentivization within the ecosystem. By utilizing cryptocurrencies, the platform rewards contributions and facilitates decentralized, community-driven management of AI agents, enhancing participation and autonomy. Phala's infrastructure is built on a robust compute network comprising thousands of nodes, providing the necessary scalability and reliability to support a large number of AI agents. This ensures that AI agents can operate securely and efficiently in a permissionless and trustless environment, with minimal risk of interruptions. The platform also emphasizes confidentiality by leveraging trusted execution environment technology. This ensures that the operations of AI agents are conducted with utmost privacy and security, safeguarding sensitive data. Phala Network's AI agent contract offers pre-built AI agent templates and supports integration with tools like GPT-4, AutoGPT, and LangChain, making it easier for developers to build and deploy AI agents. Additionally, Phala's decentralized infrastructure ensures that AI agents can operate securely and efficiently in a permissionless and trustless environment, with minimal risk of interruptions. Phala Network's AI agent contract platform provides a comprehensive solution for building decentralized autonomous AI agents, integrating advanced AI capabilities with blockchain technology to create a secure, efficient, and decentralized ecosystem for AI development and deployment. Phala currently has a market cap of 70 million. A market cap of 5 billion comes easy in the future. That is a 71x from here. Our final two projects focus on RWA. First up is Clearpool. Clearpool is the first decentralized credit marketplace worldwide, originating hundreds of millions of loans through its DeFi protocols. It operates on various networks, giving investors the freedom to choose the loan requests they wish to fund. Clearpool serves as a bridge between institutional borrowers and lenders. These lenders contribute their digital assets to individual borrower pools. They have full control over the borrower they lend to and their risk exposure, which they can assess by reviewing borrower profiles. Lenders can earn higher interest rates and returns by providing unsecured institutional liquidity to higher-risk borrower pools. To participate with Clearpool as a borrower or lender, users must own C-Pool tokens. Borrowers set up their borrower pool, and financial institutions determine the interest rates for each borrower pool through the Clearpool Oracle network. Lenders can then stake their C-Pool tokens to a specific pool, earning interest on their staked tokens. Clearpool initiates blockchain technology crypto lending by creating single borrower pools. Risks are evaluated based on borrowers' profiles and the credit market, enabling potential lenders to assess the total value potential for their investments. Clearpool launched in early 2022 with 3 liquidity pools from FBG Capital, Wintermute, and Folkwang. In 2024, Clearpool has introduced term pools, credit vaults, a new chain, fintech borrowers, and a new user interface. Looking ahead, its decentralized credit marketplace will further evolve, featuring multi-chain growth, detailed credit report availability, the second version of Clearpool Prime, a new staking model, exchange-traded pools, and other enhancements. Clearpool has a market cap of 100 million right now. A market cap of at least 20 billion is doable in the future, and is a crazy 200x from here. Our final project is Ondo, the leading RWA project. Stablecoins have become indispensable for several reasons. Primarily, they bridge the traditional financial world with the digital asset space, offering a stable medium of exchange in a traditionally very volatile market. In this evolving landscape, Ondo Finance is carving out its niche by revolutionizing real-world assets through its innovative product offerings. Ondo's approach centers around tokenizing stable, income-generating assets from the traditional financial world, thereby merging the best of both worlds: the reliability and familiarity of traditional finance with the efficiency and accessibility of blockchain technology. The structure of Ondo Finance is split into 2 primary arms: the asset management arm and the technology arm. The asset management arm is responsible for creating and overseeing tokenized financial products. These products are intricately designed to embody the characteristics of traditional financial instruments, while leveraging the benefits of blockchain technology. On the other hand, the technology arm of Ondo is focused on developing decentralized finance protocols, which are integral to the functioning and scalability of Ondo's financial offerings. A distinctive aspect of Ondo's approach lies in its protocol development. The protocols, once established, are designed to operate independently of Ondo. This independence is reflected in their governance and web interfaces, which are managed by separate entities, not controlled by Ondo. This separation underscores Ondo's commitment to creating decentralized and autonomous financial ecosystems. In the volatile realm of cryptocurrency, trust and security are paramount. Ondo addresses these concerns by collaborating with established, reputable partners in various operational aspects. For instance, the OUSG Fund, managed in partnership with BlackRock and involving entities like Citi, JP Morgan, and State Street, exemplifies Ondo's commitment to quality and security. Additionally, the use of Coinbase for crypto asset custody further reinforces this commitment. Ondo currently has a market cap of 3 billion. We believe that Ondo has the potential to reach a market cap of at least 60 billion in a bull run. That is a 20x from here. Thanks for watching, and make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and put notifications on to stay updated on all the latest crypto trends.